He's right at home in the dozer. He loves to run dozer. Take this spruce too. What do you think it's eating? Whatever it's eating. It's hungry. Should quit watching. I'm thinking they must have had some kind of a demo here. Either that or they lost it off the lowboy. That's a brand new. Push button. Receive bacon. Smell the bacon. So we're walking on Lake Superior here. They have a bike repair station. Got all these different tools. Sometimes when I'm in the woods, I come across a skidder repair station just like this. I wonder how long it would take to air up a skidder tire with that. Out here after another load of firewood. The earth leveling device. Got a new key ordered. So, yeah, Dad started loading this load for me. I leveled this because I didn't want to load on the side yet. So I'm going to finish loading this. And yes, that dozer still stinks. Yuck. But on a positive note, fire dried up. Well, people, there's your view of me driving out of the woods with another load of firewood after work. Oh, look at, there goes the Sasquatch. You missed it. You were looking this way. You should have been looking that way. That's why I never have the camera this way, because you might miss something. You're not going to miss anything this way. Hey, I just want to say thank you to all the new subscribers, and thank you to all the people that actually hit the thumbs up button. Appreciate it. I don't even know what to say. I'm just driving. It's I was going to say the end of a long day. It ain't the end. It is not the end. Sorry, Miss English teacher. It is not the end of the day. I have quite a ways to drive yet, and I still have to unload this load, and then I gotta drive home. Yeah, so I'm kind of tired. My brain's a little fried. Working in the belly of the beast today on that main boom cylinder. I assume that'll be in this video, or I'll put these in the same video. I don't know. I'm just fried. I'm tired. Got some issues with the homestead. Whoa! You better slow down for this corner, you know that, right? Can't even hear the jig brake. Yeah. Well, our mountain system hasn't been pumped in a while, and they found some issues. Of course, right? Not at my mountain system. That's what you're thinking, right? Why am I just blabbing? Where is the stop recording button? I need to hit it. I need to hit it soon. Oh, there it is, right there. Oh, hey, it's kind of muddy here. What? Did I just park in that mud puddle? I gotta unhook the chains. Napa Mike, what did you do? You buy a whole truckload of those things? Ooh. Almost parked in the mud hole. For Pete's sake. Hit the box. Hit the box. Chain box. Don't let the chain whip you in the face when it comes over the top. What's the... This might be awkward. There's a reason I don't let you guys see me operate. I have my magnetic mount sitting, well, right in my, well, never mind. Never mind where you're looking from. But you get a unique perspective there. I don't know how much of this I'm going to let you see. I suppose the sun's going to mess with the camera a little bit. Oh, come on. Quit worrying about your phone and just unload some wood. Just unload some wood. Yeah, there's guys that are much faster at this than me. I know that. But I don't do this very often. I only usually run a truck when things are in a bind or pinch, or oddball things like hauling firewood. Oh yeah, there's 3 birch trees, or birch sticks in this load of ash here. See that? It's really pale ash. I'm not sure what you want to call it. You know what I could do is just speed the video up like some people and make me look fast. I suppose I could do that, huh? Speed it up. I'm gonna take some off the back now. Let you look out at the highway. I'm gonna have to straighten out the file a little bit there. I'm gonna bury his maple on him. Oh well. Have you seen enough? I think I have. Fill my phone up with video of unloading firewood. Ugly firewood. No, it's not bad firewood. Are you ready? We got a wave. Nice meeting you, Ryan. We had a good conversation there. Ryan, that's the first time I've ever met him, and he made a point to swing over and say hi to me. That was awful kind of him. What are you doing that for? We're not anywhere near the gate. Okay, boys and girls, let's go home. When I feel like getting real serious about working on something, the big bad hammer comes out. Well, this one's got a turbo. Maybe we should take this one. That's pretty. Jeez. Can't hardly swing a dead cat without hitting one. They're everywhere.
Thanks for watching. Have a great day.
Thanks for watching. Have a great day.
Thanks for watching. Have a great day.
Thanks for watching. Have a great day.